Good morning, everyone. Jai Shri Mataji. Richa, all yours.
Good morning, Mataji. Let us all collectively bow down, raise our Kundalini, and take Bandhan. Now take the right hand to the left heart and with all humbleness and gratitude and surrendering, let us pray. Mother, please come in our heart. Let me cleanse my heart so that your lotus feet can be established in my heart. Mother, please come in my heart. By your grace, I am a spirit. I am a spirit. I am a spirit. Please remove all the hatred, all the conditionings from my heart. Let only the divine love flow from my heart. Mother, please establish your lotus feet in my heart. Let only the divine love flow from my heart. The hand back on the lap. Slowly the attention on Muladhara. Mother, verily you are Sri Ganesha. Please establish your divine lotus feet in my Muladhara. I surrender. I surrender my complete Muladhara chakra at your lotus feet. Mother, please nourish it, strengthen it. Mother, please make it so strong that no negativity, no filth can stay there. कृपा करिए श्री माता जी. Mother, please bless me here. Slowly, the right hand on Mother Earth and the attention on left Muladhara. Shri Nirmal Ganesha Mantra once. Om Tvami Vasakshat Shri Nirmal Ganesha Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. In the silence, let us pray for the clearance of left Muladhara. Mother, by your grace, I am innocent. I am innocent. I am innocent. I am innocent. The hand back on the lap, the attention now on central Muladhara. Shri Ganesha Gauri Mantra once. Om Tvami Vasakshat Shri Ganesha Gauri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mother, please make me pure. Please make me innocent. Now the attention slowly on right Muladhara and left hand on Mother Earth. Shri Kartikeya Sakshat. Om Tvami Vasakshat Shri Kartikeya Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mother, you are the destroyer of all the negativities and badhas in me. Please destroy all the negativities that are attacking my ascent and make me worthy of your appreciation, of your attention. Mother, please bless me with the power of Sri Kartikeya. Hey Sri Kartikeya, please help me to fight with the 6 enemies of my soul. Please help me to conquer them. Sarva Rakshasa and 3 mantra once. Om Tvami Vasakshat Sarva Rakshasa Hantri Sakshat Shri Adishakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. Mother, please destroy all the evil in me. You are the killer of all the devil and demons in me. Mother, you are the killer of all the devil and demons in me. Mother, you are the killer of all the devils and demons in me. Put the hands back on the lap. Now the attention slowly on Vishuddhi Chakra. Mother, please let your divine love flow on my Vishuddhi Chakra. Please give me the power of witness. Right hand on the central part of the Vishuddhi. And let us take Sri Radha Krishna mantra once. Om Tvami Vasakshat Shri Radha Krishna Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namaha. If we want, we can continue put our hand over there, or we can rotate our hand in the clockwise direction for the clearance of the complete Vishuddhi chakra. And along with that, let us hear Shri Mataji's speech on Shri Krishna Puja.
Shri Krishna Puja. We have to understand clearly that Shri Krishna is a very, very important deity within us. Because he is the Vishnu who resides in the void, in the Navi. He is the one who generates dharma within us. When you got your realization, I didn't tell you, don't do this, don't do that. I never told you that this is not good, that is not good. You just did it because Sri Vishnu was awakened within you. He is in the void, and if he is awakened, he brings you to the light, removes your ignorance, removes your darkness, and you start seeing that whatever you were doing was destructive for you. And that's how the dharma is established. Of course, the dharma was established also by all the 10 gurus who came on this earth, the prophets, who taught us about dharma. Close this one. Keep it moving if you like. So this combination of Sri Vishnu and the 10 gurus is to establish dharma within us. Now this dharma is taught by prophets, as you have seen everywhere. They have said, don't do this, don't do that. They have talked of 10 commandments. Every prophet has talked about dharma, what is to be done. Up to a point when Christ also had to talk about it, and he says, thou shalt not have adulterous eyes. But Sri Krishna is the one who says that I come on this earth when there is a glani, means demise of dharma. When the dharma becomes weak, then he comes on this earth and then he destroys the people who are responsible for bringing dharma to this level of doom. The second thing he says that I protect the saints. I protect the saints and I kill all those who are devils or who are satanic, who are destructive. These are his promises, which he gave long time back as Sri Krishna. As Vishnu, we know him only as the one who is the giver of dharma, Mindi. But all his potent qualities really were expressed when he came as Sri Krishna. At the time of Sri Rama also, these qualities could not be expressed in that way. So Sri Krishna's first half of his life he spent in Gokul and Vrindavan, where he showed his beautiful expression of his character as he made it what he calls as Leela, Leeladhara. The one who said that you become a witness. You witness the whole world like a drama, Sakshi Swarupa. And then once you see the whole world as just a child watches, in a childlike mirth and joy, you enjoy life. That has happened to you people, that you have become like citizens of Vrindavan and Gokul. The way you are enjoying yourself, enjoying each other's company, enjoying the bliss of God. There he showed also, by killing Kalia, by killing Putana and other people, that if anybody tries to trouble such joyous children of God, he is the one who will definitely protect and kill all such evil forces which are troublesome. But later on, he becomes the king. And when he becomes the king, he uses his powers in a different way. First of all, if you see, his own uncle, his own relation, his own uncle, mother's brother, was Kamsa and was such a bad man. So Sri Krishna didn't spare him. He killed him. He killed so many people. Before becoming the king, he killed so many people. Now, what does that mean? That his own uncle he killed. One quality that he has, which Christ had, we can say, or so many saints had, is forgiveness. He did not believe in forgiveness. He's the only one who said that I have to punish. We have to have somebody who should punish also. If you are like Shiva, then Shiva used to even love Rakshasas and in his innocence used to give them also blessings. But Sri Krishna did not believe in forgiveness at all.
Let us continue the meditation with the attention on the Vishuddhi Chakra. And in this silence, let us pray for the strengthening, for the clearance.
Everything that was preached, just the opposite of it is followed. If you read even Quran, in the Quran, Muhammad Sahab has all the time said about rahmat, means compassion. But you don't find it anywhere. He has not said about Shariat, he has not said of many things which are being practiced by Muslims, just on their own. He never said that women should cover their face or cover their heads. But it is practiced, and not practiced with vengeance. So what it shows to us is this, that whatever is preached, just the opposite of that people try to do. And when such things happen, the dharma goes down. Now, as you know that Krishna, his country is America. He rules over America. So it is a rich country because Sri Krishna is Kubera. He is the Lord of wealth. So he has given wealth to America. Then he is for Jana, means communication. His another quality is that he is the one who communicated. It was he who danced with gopis and gopas. It was he who transferred his powers to them. So the communication part is one of his greatest qualities that is working in America. So they are going just the opposite way, that if there is a war, say with Saddam Hussein, so America is going. If there's Korean war, America is going. Everywhere there is any problem, America has to go. I mean, one can ask question, who are you? Why you bother? Keep to your own country, enjoy yourself. Why are you sending troops all over? Why are you looking after everyone? Even the formation of UN and all that is done under the guidance of the Americans. They play a very important part in the formation of these United Nations and one world and peace and all sorts of things. But actually, if you see, the main thing that Krishna had taught, they are missing. They are all right for communication, they are all right for establishing relationships between countries. But the worst thing they have done is that there is no dharma, no idea of dharma, no morality. Democracy without morality. To talk of morality in America is something out of the blue. They cannot understand anyone who talks of morality. Now, of course, the pangs of their doings is really torturing them. And also, they are realizing, some of them, that because of immoral behavior, they have come to a point where 65% people of that country who are Americans may suffer from some disease or may just die out. at a very young age. When it is coming as a star king, information, it's a shock. But despite that, despite all this, they are still going on with it and thinking that no, it's all right, it's not for us, what is there to worry? Now his punishments have started, which they don't realize how the punishment has started. Now supposing somebody is leading an immoral life, and as a result, he develops some disease. Now this disease is not curable. They're trying everything to find out the ways and methods of curing these diseases which are coming out of immoral living. They cannot. It's an impossible task for all the medical sciences of America to find out how to cure these particular diseases which are coming out of immorality. But the worst part is that they cannot even say that immorality is wrong. They cannot even openly admit that immoral behavior leads to these things. And this immorality is completely neglected. In a country of Sri Krishna where he was born, always he says, just to establish morality. Artificial morality that is there, like the Islamic talk about, or the Christians talk about, or Hindus talk about, is artificial, where they are hypocritical. They follow one code of conduct and another they have for themselves secretly adopted. But America is an open thing. Whatever they are doing, they are not hiding it. They say we don't believe in hypocrisy. So they are not hiding it. And this has led, this country is such a vast, beautiful, rich, prosperous country, into such a ditch that I do not know how it is going to recover unless and until it takes to Sahaja. Now, another thing, what dharma does to a normal person. A dharmic person is one who is always introspective by nature. He tries to see, am I doing things all right? Is it correct? He doesn't allow his mind to justify wrong things. That is one of the signs of a real dharmic person. He may not be a sadhu, but he will ask himself, is it right or is it wrong? But that capacity is completely gone in America. They never try to introspect themselves. On the contrary, they always say, what's wrong? Those people who go on like this will definitely fall into a mess of things that will have no moral conduct, moral guidance. It is introspection which gives you an awakened conscience, which tells you this is wrong.
Let us continue meditating.
शाहे मर्दा शेर यज़दा कुव्वते ओ शाहे मर्दा शेर यज़दा परवर तरदीगा मर्दा मर्दा मन कुंतो मौला मन कुंतो मोला मन कुंतो मोला मन कुंतो अली मौला मन कुंतो अली मौला मन कुंतो अली मौला मन कुंतो अली मौला मन कुंतो अली 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 अली मौला मन कुंतो मौला हे मन कुंतो मौला फहाज़ली उन मौला फहाज़ली फहाज़ली उन मौला
By listening music, we can raise the Kundalini and take Bandhan.
धारा दिले धारा दिले धारे धारी 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 धारा दिले धार दानी धार दानी तानी धार दानी धार दानी तानी Tom ta na 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 ta na 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 re Tom ta na 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 ta na 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 re Tom ta na 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 ta na 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 Tom ta na 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 ta na 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 Tom ta na 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 Tom 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 Tom tom ta na 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 ta na 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 Tom tom ta na 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 ta na 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 Tom ta na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 ta na 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 re ta na 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 ta na 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 re
Let us join the hands and thank Shamataji for all the love, all the forgiveness, for the joyous state, and for our self-realization. Thank you, Shamataji. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Jai Shri Mataji.